When those winter months approach, you're gonna thank your lucky stars that you've got a dedicated slow cook function. From beef bourguignon, lamb shanks, or a tasty pork shoulder, it sounds super fancy, but it's easy to make when you've got the Smart Oven Pro on your cooking team. The Smart Oven Pro's slow cook function is ideal for recipes that require longer cooking times at low temperatures. With its clever Element IQ system, heat is steered when and where it's needed to create and maintain the ideal cooking environment. To get started, insert the wire rack to the bottom position. Close the door and turn the function dial to select Slow Cook function. You'll see here the temperature displayed. With two preset temperatures, low and high, that can be selected using the temperature dial. Chicken is slow cooked best on high to lock in its juices. By selecting high, you'll reduce the default cook time to 6 hours to prevent the meat from drying out. A handy rule when slow cooking is to cook lower and slower for dense meats. You can cook on a low setting for 10 hours and from 2 to 8 hours on high. Activate the slow cook function with the Start Cancel button. You'll hear the LCD will turn orange and indicate a blinking preheat message. Some key tips for slow cooking in your Smart Oven Pro include: always bring whatever you're cooking to a simmer on the stove before placing it into the Smart Oven Pro. Otherwise, you'll be cooking for 2 to 3 hours longer. Use a casserole dish whenever possible. Make sure cookware is no heavier than 13 pounds. Don't overfill your cookware either. A minimum of half and a maximum of 3/4 full is best to avoid spillover. Keep the lid on to keep moisture in. Say hello to melt in your mouth beef bourguignon. Pop your casserole dish into the oven and put your feet up. You can leave the Smart Oven Pro to do the cooking. If you can't get to the oven once the cook cycle is complete, don't worry, it will automatically switch to the warm function until you're ready. Now that's clever. Thanks to the Smart Oven Pro's smart settings, you can use the slow cook function to maximize hours in your day, or turn it on overnight and wake up to a perfectly cooked meal.